Hello and welcome to the WordPress howtoblog.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a clickable image so that you can host an image on your site, and when people click this image they will be directed to wherever you send them to. As well, I will show you in this video how to make your text clickable so that obviously when somebody clicks it they will be sent to another site that you wish to send them to, or even another page on your own website, whatever you want to use. You can see here that I have included the basic HTML text that you need to use to accomplish this. But to actually do it, we need to add some things to it. You will see these quotation marks here and here and here that I have put in yellow, and we need to fill in some information in those to actually make this work. You will note that I'm in the visual tab here. This is where you do your normal WordPress posting, but in order to make a clickable image you have to do it over here in the text side or in a text widget if you're going to be displaying this in your sidebar, which is quite common. So in order to make this work, I'm just going to click this text here and copy it, if my computer will cooperate here. And then we'll move over to the text side. This is the same HTML code, like I said, that you would place in a widget. I'm just doing it in a post for you, but any HTML code that you would use in a post, this or anything else, you would place over here in the text side. It won't work in the visual side. So we'll just copy that in here. Okay, now you see that text down here in the bottom of the post. The first thing that we need to do here is you see these quotation marks. This here is actually the site page, what have you, where you want to send them to when they click your image. So I'm just going to use the actual site address here. Type this all in here quick. Okay, so we now have where we're going to send them to. And the next thing that we need to do is over here in between these two quotation marks here, and this is the image source, so that we have an image that they are going to click. And we're just going to go switch pages here quick. I already uploaded the image that I want to use, so you go into your media library. I'm going to use this image here. Click that image. And then you will see over here the file URL. Just double or triple click that, copy it, and then we can go back to our post here and paste that image in. So now we have our image here. You will note that I'm using a P tag, that's to designate a paragraph, and at the end of this particular one, instead of a P in here, we have an A tag. That just means that this here is clickable. It's actually an internet address. And then if you want to have some text below your picture, you can see I did that here just to show you. And then I use the center on these so that it's obviously centered. And then close it out with another P tag. And in here is the text that you want to appear. You can use whatever you want in there. And then if you would like to include clickable text underneath it to say send them somewhere else, a sales page or whatever you're using, you use this HTML code here, and it's again done with a P tag in the beginning. And with this particular one you have an A tag and the closing P tag behind it, so you can just copy that from the post and fill in the details. I'm going to send you to another one of my sites if you would click this. So this is pretty much all ready to go. The text, again, this would be the text you want to use, whatever you place it in here. The actual link comes in between, again, these quotation marks, so I will just type the link in here quick. And so now we have our link of where we want to send folks to. We'll switch back to the visual side, and the picture actually shows up in here. The coding is gone, and in order to see what this really looks like now that we've put everything in here, we'll go to preview, and there's my title and the text I already typed in before. Here is, as I mentioned before, the code, the basic code that you want to use to produce this result down here. And if we were to click this picture here that we just made linkable, it would just take us right to the home page of this blog where I'm doing this post. As you can see here, go back to the post. And then here's the text that I typed in, click to visit. And I placed some other text underneath that I showed you that would take us to a different site. You can see it's linkable here. We'll just go ahead and click that. There we go. And that goes to one of my other sites here. So you can place anything in here that you want, and it will provide the desired results. And that's about all there is to it. It's really pretty simple once you understand how to do it. And as always, thanks for watching.